Hello, my name is Rosina Karen Mejorada Gonzalez. On this occasion, my colleagues and I will be introducing you to the use of ecological blocks in construction. Here is an image where you can see the blocks and what is their impact on the environment and society, whether good or bad. So let's start. This project of making ecological blocks began 2 years ago by the architect Andres Estefanenko Jimenez. Um, the ecological blocks are a key element in ecological architecture. These blocks are those whose manufacture does not imply an environmental impact as great that traditional blocks, but the material use and manufacture process and functionality can determine that they are. This project is based on a need from the sustainable world. So these blocks made from the garbage that we dispose. A way to give a life to what was believed to be loose and also economical and useful.
Hi, I'm Damaris and I'm going to tell about the most important difference between the common blocks and the ecological pet blocks. Even today, we don't know many of the properties of the common blocks, but the pet blocks, yes. We know that has better moisture index. Its lifespan much longer. It's cheaper. It resists more than the common blocks. It's also important to mention that with these blocks we make a big difference in the ecological aspect. With these blocks we helping to reduce the pet that longer for years on our planet, on our beaches, etc. If we give this pet utility, we make a construction more eco-friendly. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Melissa Cisneros and I'm going to talk about the objectives of our project. Well, our project is about ecological blocks and, well, why is good to do this? In first place, we want to reduce the environmental impact that construction companies generate over the years with big constructions like buildings, stadiums, museum houses, and other things. We also want to reduce the ecological footprint that they generate, and with this, achieve the preservation of biodiversity and ecosystems in the world, and reduce the contamination that they generate also.
Hi, my name is Itzel Luis Padilla, and I'm gonna talk about how the ecological blocks affects to our environment. Well, as we know, the classic blocks that we use to construction something, it's dangerous. It's bad for our environment because in with the pass of the time, the industry had added to a lot of toxic substances because they want to make it more stronger and much better as we know, but that made a lot of pollution to our environment. So with the ecological blocks, the use of these sustainable materials opens to new possibilities to reduce the pollution rates in different sectors of construction, and that's why we have to change and use more the ecological blocks.
Hello teacher, my name is Emilio García Flores and I'm going to explain to you the process of making ecological blocks. For the process or for the fabrication of the blocks, we will need three things: water, cement, and earth or soil. The first step is the earth before being mixed with the cement must be dry, without organic matter and properly screened, by means of the recommended use of 5 by 5 millimeters wire mesh at least. It is necessary to mix the raw material. This process can be elaborated in two ways. The first one is the automatically, where it is only a matter of adding the materials to a mixer, and number two, manually, where the process is as follows. Spread the earth on a smooth surface, forming a layer of 30 centimeters high. Add the cement in a clear way on the sieve earth and stir the mixture until it is uniform in color, without dirt or cement stains. It is necessary to moisten the mixture. Add water little by little on the surface using a water can or low pressure hose and mix everything again. That's a way of making ecological blocks, and now I explained to you that. So thank you, teacher.
Hello, my name is Daniel Alejandro Castellanos Garcia. My team and I together conclude that ecological blocks are a very viable option to replace conventional clay or concrete bricks because we are currently experiencing a problem that is consuming humanity, which is of pollution. With these blocks, we seek to recycle plastic and in this way permit recycling and reduce waste in lagos and seas. We really liked researching this topic and learning about some sustainable construction tools since this new branch of construction will be essential in a few years.